every punctuation was rehearsed. And then she rehearsed it, so even the pitch was decided. Because it starts with the two women performing a fight. Because they know what's going on. It's the husband who doesn't know, right?
Right.
So we have to just find kya kar rahi thi. But then it actually gets serious. Then once it actually gets serious, so there was a change in tonality from it being a performance to it actually getting real and then getting out of hand. And all that was there. It was like
It's all on the page.
Every beat was, even the pitch with which we will hit a note. It was like a sonic note. Like I wanted to reach that high. Now, and I haven't, because, like Vikrant said, we haven't gone to an NSD or an FTII. I've not gone to any acting school. And you just pick up things from life. And in that moment, it was quite technical, but I have felt a sense of inferiority. I've also felt a sense of superiority, and all that, the class dynamic, the power dynamic, all that comes in. But it was really fun to do because there was a image of, I don't know if you remember in the film, this Chipkali that goes.
Of course. Yeah.
But this Chipkali comes and darts and then goes here and goes there. And so when I did that scene and my pajamas were down, I have to tie it up, I felt like the Chipkali. Suddenly after the scene, I was like, Coco, did I look like a lizard? Because I was totally channeling this lizard that's darting, to find safety, but there's nowhere to hide.
Doesn't know where to go. Yeah, yeah.
And, you started this game, now you have to finish it.